Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I got a question recently. How do you hide a category so that it's not accessible unless someone clicks through a specific route? Now, this is a really unique question that I think is very important for a lot of people. So I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to walk you through how to hide stuff that is visible to the people you want them to see it, but not just visible in plain sight everywhere. The two levels we want to focus in on are pages and then categories. I'm going to cover both just because this one video will be easier for everyone to access and understand, but let's get into it. So the first thing is, here I am on my demo website with all these beautiful customizations, random customizations I have. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my shop. This is where my categories are. I think you could do this for any different part of your site. So that has categories like blogs, your store, events, things like that. Video content. Cool. So you see all my categories here. What I can do is I could click on one of these categories. You'll see more, which is misspelled on purpose. More, if I click on this, you'll see categories here. This is the category of more. If I click the settings wheel, what you can do is you can say filter visibility. If I uncheck this, if I turn this off, that means it won't show up as a filtered option. So let me show you how that looks. Let me hit close because it was already saved. You'll see these are all the filtered options, but more isn't showing up here. So just like that, we have hidden it. It still exists, but it is hidden. Currently, we are on this page, shop/more, but it's not here in the menu. So if I click all, you'll see all the categories, but you won't see more. So you could create hidden categories like more, or what's the other one I have? I have new arrivals, or you could have special items like clearance. Maybe you don't want it listed here. Maybe you do, but maybe you don't. And so if someone goes to shop, you could add a button here so they can go to clearance directly or go to new arrivals directly, but it doesn't necessarily mean it has to show up in your navigation, all depending on what you want. So just like that, you were able to create it, use it, and then have it wherever you want, but you don't have to necessarily make it accessible anywhere on your site. Secondly, you may want to hide pages. And I get this question a lot because it is a little bit confusing to conceptualize. So let's say you make this page, this appointments 1 page. I'm going to drag it in up here, take a look. Okay, perfect. So we have this appointments page, and you want this to be live, but you don't necessarily want it in your menu. You don't want it in Contact Us. You don't want it up here at all. You want it to be live for people to access. Well, all you do is you actually just drag it to the not linked section, and then you can make it linked from wherever you want. So let's say if I go to Contact Us, so I'm going to click into the home page, and let's go to the bottom, and I'm going to click here and just add a form. Again, this is my demo site that I do everything on. All right, so you could create the form, customize it, do all that. Post submit. What I could do for post submit is do a redirect and have this go to the appointments page. Again, this URL is horrible. It should not say appointments-1. It should just say appointments. But I'll click on that, hit save, and basically what happens is the page is live, but it's not accessible to anyone unless they fill out the form, which is a really useful feature for a lot of people. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content, so hit the like button. Next, if you're looking to beef up or boost or 10x your Squarespace website, check out the links below. We have a ton of resources for you. Plugins, downloadables, ebooks, blog posts, a ton of things for you. Finally, if you got value from today's video and you're looking for more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. I can't believe we're publishing 3 videos a week right now. It's a lot of content, but we are. We're publishing 3, maybe even 4 videos a week right now. So if you want more content like this, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.